Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to pre-fill envelopes before sending them in Docusign. Pre-filling envelopes lets us add important information ahead of time, making the signing process faster and more organized. Let's go through it step by step. On your Docusign dashboard, go to Templates. This is where we will be creating a new template. Once you're here, click to set it up. Give your template a name so it's easy to manage later. Next, upload the documents you want to use. For example, these documents here. Then, add the roles. For example, Employee 1. Enter the name as Employee 101 and the email as Employee 101E. From here, we can add more recipients if needed. We can also add a subject and a pre-filled message, like Sign Awesome. Once that's done, click Done or Next. Here, enter the names, full names, and emails, and add the company name to keep things organized. Once we receive it, we can fill it in and have it completed automatically. We can also add signatures and set up any additional preferences. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. We can now see the pre-filled envelope is ready to send in Docusign. And that's how we pre-fill envelopes before sending in Docusign. This simple feature saves time and helps make sure that documents are accurate before they reach recipients.